The site facilitates slitting functions. We have 4 slitting lines on site that process approximately 100,000 tonnes worth of product a year. And to do that, we have about 45 team members on site, operating on 2 shifts, day shift and afternoon shift. To assist that, we also have around about 20 to 25 truck movements a day with a contract truck driver.
The most of the feed we get from Port Kembla, Western Port, or sometimes we assist with the other part of the business where we get the feed coils from, and we send it directly to the customers. There are various customers, interstate or local customers.
Day to day I deal with our direct customers, so roll formers, specifically in the building markets team, and I really love connecting with our customers and building up great relationships.
So behind me at the moment is all our recoils that's just come off the recoil line. So we've got about probably 500 tonne of recoils on the floor, 1 tonne and 2 tonne pups that we run off the recoil line, which is just to my right. And then over the back is a CSL6 slitting line, which is a heavy gauge slitting line, what we call up to about 6 mil. So they can run 6 mil slits up to 1500 wide. So it's for us, it's a heavy gauge slitting line.
My main role here is I'm a head builder. So basically I slit the coils down into obviously various sizes that we need. Build the heads to obviously facilitate the customer's orders. We have a male and female section, so basically the rubbers opposite to each other to allow the material to pass through and obviously get a nice cut, a nice finish. The separators underneath the rubbers are obviously what sets the blade tolerances and stuff like that.
Everyone's helpful, everyone helps you, everyone gets along. It's like, you know, like you're working in a group that I want to come back and work here, you know what I mean?
You've been here this long, it feels like family. And so yeah, like you roll with the punches, you live with your team, and yeah, I just like coming back.
Safety seems to be the number one priority here, quality and then production. So it's really good. They're obviously on the forefront of safety.
There's no pressure on production. It's definitely safety focused. So whenever we have an issue, it's all about stop, make it safe, and just let's get it right and make sure no one gets hurt.
I like the energy from the people, the motivation, and there's a strong aspect for the safety in BlueScope, which I believe is really important.
I've always had a good affinity with Colorbond, so I've built, my last house was built with a Colorbond roof, Colorbond fences, and everywhere you look there's Colorbond. And now obviously with a lot of the TV ads coming out, you feel a sense of pride when you see those ads come on and you know that you've contributed to something along those lines.